SpaceX is developing a specific version of its Starship spacecraft, known as Starship HLS, Human Landing System, to land astronauts on the moon as part of NASA's Artemis program. This vehicle is significantly different from the version designed for Earth or Mars because it is optimized specifically for the lunar environment. Key mission phases. The journey to the lunar surface involves several complex steps that have never been performed at this scale before. Launch and refilling. A standard Starship is launched into Earth orbit. To reach the moon with a heavy payload, it must be refueled in space. Multiple tanker Starships will launch to deliver propellant to a depot Starship, which then refills the HLS lander. Lunar transit. Once fueled, the HLS lander performs a translunar injection (TLI) to travel to the moon. It will enter a near-rectilinear halo orbit (NRHO), where it will rendezvous with NASA's Orion spacecraft or the Gateway space station. Descent and landing. Astronauts transfer from Orion to Starship HLS. The lander then descends to the lunar South Pole. Surface operations. Because Starship is so tall, about 50 meters or 15 stories, astronauts will use an external elevator to descend from the cabin to the moon's surface. Design features of the lunar variant. The HLS version of Starship has been modified to remove weight and improve safety on the moon. Feature. Description. No heat shield or flaps. Since this vehicle stays in space and never re-enters Earth's atmosphere, it doesn't need the heavy ceramic tiles or belly flop flaps used by the standard Starship. Landing engines. To prevent the powerful main Raptor engines from blasting a deep crater in the soft lunar soil, regolith, SpaceX may use a ring of smaller landing thrusters located higher up on the ship's body. Solar array. A band of solar panels is wrapped around the top of the vehicle to provide a constant power source during the lunar day. Massive capacity. It is designed to land over 100 tons of cargo, allowing for the delivery of large rovers, science labs, and long-term habitats. Current timeline. NASA and SpaceX are currently targeting the Artemis 3 mission for the first crewed landing, which is officially scheduled for no earlier than September 2026. Before this mission, SpaceX must perform an uncrewed demonstration landing to prove the ship can safely touch down and lift off from the lunar surface.